Hi friends, today I'm going to be making an Easter decoration for my mom's bay window. So at the Dollar Tree I picked up this planter, some bunny ears, 2 small bowls and 2 large bowls. So what I'm doing now is I'm just putting some E6000 around. I already put some. I'm just going to add a few more drops here and there, and then I'm going to glue them together. Now, you could definitely use hot glue if you want. I just don't know where my hot glue gun is at the moment. But, yeah, so you just want these to set until they're totally dry. And it's going to take probably about a half hour. So, I'll be back. So, the next thing I'm going to do is I ran some E6000 glue around this ridge here. And I'm just going to place this in the middle on top of those bowls. Try to get it as even as you can. It's really not going to make that much of a difference once we cover it all. So now we're going to let that set up. So these bags of moss are also from the Dollar Tree. And they only had one dark green. I wanted to do it all dark green, but they only had one. And so I picked up, I'm just going to mix them together. I figured it might look nice. But you could either do it all the lighter green or all the darker green, or they even have one that's even more brown. But whatever you want to do, I'm just going to mix these 3 together. And I'm just going to mix them in my planter so it doesn't get all over the place. And then I'll show you what we're going to do with it. So I just remembered that I had this 3M Super 77 adhesive spray. So it actually makes it stick a lot better. So I'm just going to spray some spots. Let it dry for like a half a second. Because this is taking way too long to dry with the tack it over and over. And I'm impatient. So we are just going to do the spray. And then you start sticking all your moss. Now, you won't see the purple and the pink underneath because any spots that are showing through, you could always spray and add more moss until it's totally covered. See how nice and fast that's sticking? So, yes, I would definitely use the spray. Just makes life a little easier. So I'm going to continue to do this whole thing with the spray. And when it's all covered totally, I'll show you what's next. Okay, so now that I got all of the moss all over the bowls, I put it in the planter. And then I just put some egg garland around her neck and some ears on the top. And I actually have this ribbon that I am going to be making a bow around the neck. And then I have these carrots also from the Dollar Tree that I'm just going to glue around the base of the planter here. So once I get that done, I'll show you how she looks. And I think my mother's going to love it. And it'll stand right in the middle of her bay window for Easter. So let me finish it up and I'll show you how it looks. All right, guys. So she's done. And I can't get this lighting correct. And yeah, I think she came out super cute. I only put 2 carrots, 1 on each side. I don't know. I might take them off. I don't know how I feel about that. But the whole thing without the carrots costs $10 to make. So you have the 2 bowls that here. So that's 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it costs exactly $10 to make. And I think she came out super cute. I think my mother's going to love her for inside her bay window for Easter. I can't get this lighting right. I'm so sorry. Yeah, so I think she came out really cute. All right, I'll be doing another craft tomorrow for Easter for my mom. So stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscription button, hit the notification bell so you know when I have another video coming up. It's been a very, very long time since I've done a YouTube video on a craft, so I was excited to do this one for my mom. So yeah, run to the dollar store if you want to make something like this for your home before everything's gone, because you know how fast they sell out of stuff. All right, have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.